In this video, you'll learn how to create a landing page for your product on Gumroad from start to finish. First, select the Dashboard tab to access your Gumroad workspace. Next, choose the Sales option to view and manage your current product listings. Now, click the product link you want to preview, and then open it in an incognito window to see exactly what buyers will experience. Enter a fair price to set your product's cost. This helps your customers know what to expect right away. Next, open the Wishlist dropdown and select Edit Product to update your item's details or settings as needed. Click New Product to add a new listing. Enter a title for your creation in the provided field to help visitors recognize your offering. Choose your price from the dropdown, then continue to customize your product further by clicking the Next Customize button. Add a compelling description for your product to let buyers know what makes it unique and valuable. Now, click the external link to access additional content, then select the relevant product or device thumbnail to showcase or attach supporting material. Upload your media or screenshots by selecting the desired file, and open it to make your landing page more engaging. After that, select the summary section to add or edit important highlights about your product. Save and continue to ensure your updates are saved, then upload any additional files buyers will receive after purchase. Click the Content button to review what buyers will see once they've made a purchase. Then, click Share to generate a link to your product page, making it easier for others to find. Publish and continue to make your landing page live and available to the public. Lastly, manage collaborators if you want to add team members who can help you maintain or update the page. You've now created a complete Gumroad landing page. Great job!